Hello and welcome to the amortization mortgage spreadsheet tutorial. We'll be discovering how we can do a simple amortization of a home mortgage based on a fixed APR through the Excel spreadsheet. So if you refer to your project task sheet, you'll find out that our house sale price is $180,000. So we're going to start off with filling in these original cells here. The down payment is 5% of this. And so to calculate that, type in your cell an equal sign to open the equation. 0.05 multiplied by D3 is our cell there. Okay, so it's a $9,000 down payment. We've been told that our closing costs are $2,500, so let's type that in. Right, and our loan amount will be the house sale price. We're going to subtract the $9,000 down payment because that we paid up front, but we do need to borrow for the closing costs. And that's our total loan amount, so that's an important figure there, $173,500. We're told on our sheet that we have an APR of 6%, and it's a 30-year mortgage. Now for our payment, let's go to the formulas section, financial tab, and then PMT. That's what we're looking for, PMT for payment. Notice at the bottom there's prompts to help us decide what we're putting into these cells here to get our formula and our equation. So D7 represents our APR. We're dividing it by 12 because it's a monthly payment we're after. Okay, we want D8 for the number of years multiplied by the 12 months in the year. That will equal 360 monthly payments altogether. Now PV is the present value, and so that is the original loan amount there of $173,500. FE and type we don't need to worry about at the moment. We'll be introduced to them later on. Okay, as you can see it's a negative figure, and to just rectify this, put a minus symbol in front of the PMT so that this doesn't affect or doesn't adversely affect the rest of the mint green spreadsheet that we'll be filling in. Now for total interest, this is simply the monthly payment multiplied by, let's have a look, the amount of years and amount of months, so multiply that by 12, and then subtract the loan amount. And what we'll be paying in interest in total is over $200,000 there. Okay, so this is how the banks make their money. Right, let's just fill in a couple of months here. The balance, as you would assume, is the loan amount, so let's just make reference to that. So open up with an equals and reference to D6. And for the interest, we'll be multiplying the original balance, the amount that we've borrowed. We're going to multiply that by the APR, and because we want to fix this APR in for the full 360 months, we're going to use the F4 function for PC users, or Apple T. That's right, you'll get the dollar signs there to lock that cell reference in, and then divide it by 12. So we have $867.50 for our first interest payment. Okay, the principal is our monthly payment, and we're going to again lock this in with the F4 or Apple T function, and then we're going to subtract the interest that we've paid in the first month. And this principal amount here is going to offset our balance of $173,500. So we'll make reference to the balance and simply subtract D15 there, our principal amount. Okay, now we should be able to use the autofill function that we used in the earlier spreadsheet project. If we drag this just down a couple of cells, we should see that there's a drop in the interest per month, an increase in the principal, and a drop in the balance. So we can go ahead and fill that or autofill that in right down to month number 360. Okay, and we should expect there to be, yep, that's correct. After 360 months, we've paid off our mortgage, and the principal payment has increased, the interest has decreased. So congratulations, that's the first part of your amortization spreadsheet done. Next time we'll be exploring how we can decrease the payments by paying an extra principal every month. Okay, thank you for listening.